When it comes to business presentations, so many presenters are out of time and feel so overusing PowerPoint that they're drained of any sense of inspiration. As a result, from the conference hall to the sales meeting, we're awash with some truly awful, text-heavy presentations full of horrible images, crappy charts that are absolutely killing their brand and their audience. At PDCO, we've seen firsthand thousands of times the huge impact that great design makes. The look, the feel, the simplicity of a well-designed presentation increases its interest, its impact, and helps you on the path of getting to yes. So we're on a mission to show you just how much of a difference this can make by pimping your slides. I'm inviting you to send us your worst 8-point aerial, text-heavy clip art nightmares, and our team of creative presentation experts are going to jump in and transform them pixel by pixel into something fresh. If you've been looking at the same slide for years and you just can't stand the sight of it anymore, and you don't know what to do, send it in and we'll transform it. Or you might want to help out a colleague that's out there using a deck that's truly horrible and you know that it could be better. It's super easy, anonymous, and absolutely no charge to nominate. Simply send us the slide or a picture of the slide that you'd like to nominate to pimp@presentationdesign.co and we'll get to work. We're going to publish them here each week. We're ready to go. I invite you to send in your nomination or tag a colleague below that needs some help to spice up their slides.